Hi, good morning. So now we will study a small topic that is called Parkland formula. I'm sure that all of you must have listened this word many times during your hospital life or during your college life. So just for a clarification, we'll study for what we are using and how does the calculation, and we'll see one question for a practice. Okay. So what do you mean by Parkland formula? So this is the standardized formula that we are using for calculating the amount of fluid to be infused to a burn client. Okay, this is commonly used for second degree and third degree burns. We have already studied in the previous video what is second degree and what is third degree based on the depth and based on the layers affected. So we all know that in burn situation or after the burn injury, the role of fluid, because soon after the burn, the cells will shift the fluids and the patient go for hypovolemic shock, and there may be many complications are related to this. So the replacement of fluids or the calculation, the exact calculation and infusion of fluid is very important after burn injury. So how does this Parkland formula will work? See, in this one we should have three parameters. One, the weight of the patient, that we use as kilogram. In some question scenario or some situation we might be get the weight as pound. So 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. So if you will get in pounds, try to convert to kilogram and then use for doing the Parkland formula. Then the another parameter that we need is the percentage of total body surface area that affected due to burns. Then that is the 4 ml, the constant one we are using in this formula. So the formula is 4 ml into percentage of total body surface area into patient weight in kg. Very simple formula. 4 ml into percentage of total body surface area into patient weight in kg. So this is called Parkland formula. So based on this formula, how should we infuse the fluid on a burn client? If we'll get 8,000 after this calculation, the half of that 8,000, which means 4,000 ml, we should be infused for the first 8 hours. Make it clear, for the first 8 hours after the burns, we'll use the half of the fluid that what we received by using Parkland formula. Then the rest of the half we will use for the next 16 hours. So this total amount we should be infused within 24 hours. The first half we'll use for the first 8 hours and the second half we will use for the next 16 hours. So for the clear clarification or the clear idea, we'll do one question. See, this is the question. Using the Parkland formula, calculate the hourly rate of fluid replacement with a lactated ringer solution during the first 8 hours for a client weighing 75 kg with the total body surface area of 40%. So the question, we got the parameters. Total body surface area is 40%, 40, and the client weight is 75 kg. We got in kg itself, so it's no worries. Then 4 ml, we know the constant value. So the question they ask, first 8 hours, how many ml we should infuse? And the exact one, we should mention how many ml per hour. So the question asks how many ml per hour, not the complete amount during the first 8 hours. But first we should get how many ml during the first 8 hours. Then out of that first the ml during 8 hours, we can divide by 8 and we'll get how many ml per hour. Okay, we will see. See, in this one you can see 4 into 75 into total body surface area, that is 40%. So when we will do the calculation, this is equal to 12,000. Okay. So total amount of fluid should be infused within 24 hours is equal to 12,000. So the first half, the half of this 12,000 we should infuse within the 8 hours, the first 8 hours. So half of the 12,000 is 6,000. So the 6,000 again we will divide it by 8 and we will get 750 ml per hour. Okay, 7 into 8 and 50 into 8, so 60,000. You can see the slide. I just mentioned the slide, how the calculation and how you get the ml per hour. So is that clear? So this is the way we are doing the Parkland formula for calculation of fluid. Is that okay? So I hope it's clear. Bye bye. The next video we'll see what are the main management, grafting and some other questions. Okay, bye bye.